Renewable energy is too expensive. False. Renewable energy costs have been decreasing rapidly over the years, making it increasingly competitive with traditional fossil fuel-based electricity. According to IRENA's data, the global weighted average cost of electricity LCOE from utility-scale solar PV and onshore wind has dropped by 82 and 49, respectively, between 2010 and 2019. 1. Advocate for government policies that incentivize renewable energy adoption. 2. Encourage private investments in renewables through favorable financial structures. 3. Promote grid modernization to accommodate higher shares of variable renewable energy sources. In 2024, Germany successfully phased out nuclear power and significantly increased its share of renewables in the electricity mix, achieving a record low CO2 emission level. Renewable energy is no longer expensive, it's an affordable and sustainable solution for our future energy needs. Nuclear energy is the only way to achieve zero carbon emissions. False. While nuclear power does not emit CO2, it poses other environmental risks such as radioactive waste management and potential accidents. Moreover, it takes a long time for new reactors to be built, limiting its role in addressing the urgent need for rapid decarbonization. 1. Prioritize energy efficiency measures to reduce overall energy demand. 2. Accelerate the deployment of renewable energy technologies like wind, solar, and geothermal. 3. Invest in energy storage solutions to ensure a stable and reliable grid with high shares of variable renewables. Denmark, a country heavily reliant on wind power, has successfully demonstrated that it's possible to achieve zero carbon emissions without nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is not the only solution for achieving zero carbon emissions. A mix of energy efficiency and renewable energy sources can be more effective and sustainable. Hydroelectric power is clean and sustainable. Partially false. While hydroelectric power does not emit CO2, it can have significant negative impacts on aquatic ecosystems and local communities. Dams can alter water flows, disrupt fish migrations, and lead to habitat loss. Moreover, many existing dams are located in biodiversity hotspots or indigenous territories. 1. Assess the environmental and social impact of proposed hydroelectric projects before construction begins. 2. Prioritize small-scale hydropower and micro-hydropower projects that have less environmental impact. 3. Support the restoration of rivers and the removal of obsolete dams where appropriate. In 2024, the Teesta 4 hydroelectric power project in India was halted due to concerns over its impact on local indigenous communities and biodiversity. While hydroelectric power can contribute to renewable energy targets, it's crucial to consider its environmental and social impacts carefully. Energy storage is the key to a renewable future. True, but with caveats. Energy storage technologies like batteries play a crucial role in ensuring a stable and reliable grid with high shares of renewables. However, it's important to remember that energy storage solutions are not one-size-fits-all. Different technologies are more suitable for different applications. 1. Invest in research and development of various energy storage technologies. 2. Deploy the most appropriate energy storage solution for each specific application, e.g., lithium-ion batteries for short-term grid stabilization, flow batteries for long-duration storage. 3. Encourage innovation in smart grid management to optimize the use of stored energy. In 2024, Tesla's PowerPack system was deployed in Australia to provide grid stability during peak demand periods, reducing the need for fossil fuel power plants. Top 5 Energy Myths Debunked. Shattering Energy Misconceptions. Hook. Welcome to our comprehensive guide debunking common energy myths and shedding light on the truth behind renewable energy, nuclear power, hydroelectric power, energy storage, and more. Why it matters. Understanding the reality of these misconceptions is crucial for making informed decisions about our energy future and taking action to combat climate change effectively. Table of Contents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mini case study, energy transition in XYZ country coming up. 9. Common misconceptions. Pitfalls. 10. What changed in the last 7 days. 11. Actionable playbook. 12. Recap. 13. FAQ. 14. CTA. Fossil fuels are essential for modern life. False. While fossil fuels have historically powered our world, advancements in technology and renewable energy have made it possible to replace many of their uses with cleaner alternatives. Electric vehicles, solar-powered homes, and wind turbines are just a few examples of how we can transition away from fossil fuels. 1. Encourage the adoption of electric vehicles and public transportation. 2. Promote energy efficiency measures in buildings and industries. 3. Invest in research and development of renewable energy technologies to replace traditional uses of fossil fuels. In 2024, Norway announced plans to phase out fossil fuel cars by 2025. Fossil fuels are not essential for modern life. We can transition to a cleaner and more sustainable future with the right investments and policies. Wind turbines kill birds. Partially true, but with solutions. While it's true that wind turbines can pose risks to certain bird species, modern wind farms incorporate measures such as bird radar systems, turbine shutoffs during migration periods, and habitat restoration projects to mitigate these impacts. 1. Implement bird-friendly design standards for wind turbines. 2. Monitor wind farms for potential negative effects on local wildlife. 3. Support research into reducing the impact of wind turbines on birds. In 2024, a wind farm in California implemented a bird radar system to temporarily shut down turbines when migrating birds were detected. With proper planning and design, wind turbines can be built in a way that minimizes harm to birds. Solar panels need direct sunlight to work effectively. False solar panels are designed to convert sunlight into electricity, not heat. As a result, they function effectively even on cloudy days and during low light conditions. 1. Educate the public about the effectiveness of solar panels in various weather conditions. 2. Encourage the